Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic solution for those looking to enhance privacy and style in their homes with the Joydeco door curtain. If you're in the market for the best curtains for a closet door, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. The Joydeco door curtain isn't just any ordinary curtain. It's designed specifically for those who want a sleek, modern alternative to traditional closet doors. Made from dense polyester with meticulous craftsmanship, these curtains offer not only durability but also a luxurious feel. Let's talk about what sets these curtains apart. First off, they come in various sizes to fit different door dimensions, ensuring a perfect fit for your space. The top grommet design makes installation a breeze, allowing you to open and close them effortlessly. One of the standout benefits is the curtain's ability to enhance privacy without compromising on style. Whether it's for a bedroom closet, pantry, or any other space, these curtains provide a tasteful solution that adds elegance to your decor. Performance-wise, these curtains excel. They effectively block out light, which is great for creating a cozy atmosphere or for those who prefer darkness when sleeping. Plus, they're lightweight and easy to maintain, making them a practical choice for everyday use. They praise the curtains for being easy to install, providing excellent blackout capabilities, and offering great value for money. Compared to traditional closet doors or other curtain options, the Joydeco door curtain stands out for its quality, design, and functionality. It's a cost-effective alternative to heavier, more cumbersome doors. Perfect for those looking to upgrade their space without breaking the bank. Wrapping up, if you're looking to transform your living space with a practical and stylish solution for closet doors, the Joydeco door curtain is an excellent choice. With its high ratings, durable materials, and ease of use, it's no wonder why it's become a favorite among homeowners. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this one. And as always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.